Good morning, students. I am Manish Kumar here with you with a new chapter Recreation and Family Celebration. As you know that every students, every humans needs some recreation. Recreation means how to recreate yourself, means manoranjan, and family celebration. Family celebration, as you know that the celebration which is organized among the family, that is called family celebration. In this lesson we will study about indoor and outdoor recreation and the celebration who is celebrated in the family. Let us discuss about this. First, there are two types of activities, as I am told: indoor activities and outdoor activities. Indoor activities are those which is performed in our houses, like playing ludo, playing carom boards, playing chess, playing cards, playing radio, playing television, dancing, singing. These all activities are since conducted or organized in the houses. That is why this is called indoor recreations or indoor activities. Because when we are reading too much or we need some rest or recreation so that we can get the refreshment, and again we would like to perform our the classes or duties, then it's need some recreation. So indoor recreation is a very good for the students. Sitting while sitting in the houses, they perform so many activities. Now we will discuss about the outdoor activities. Outdoor activities are those activities which can be done or played by going outside from the home. That is why it's called outdoor recreation or outdoor activities, like going to park, go to fair, go to exhibition, go to the zoo, go to picnic. These are some outdoor activities, like going to temples, going to the market, going to hilly area, going to bank sites. These are the activities. It shows outdoor going needs and fulfill the desire of the students. It is very hilarious for the students by going outside and watching so many natural scene and able to see with their naked eye. Its impact is very long time. Now some special occasion. You know that there are so many special occasion in our life, in our houses, like celebration of birthday, celebration of wedding or marriage. These are the things which can be performed or organized in our family. That is why this type of celebration is called family celebration. Now tell me, now this is the picture. Can you guess what is going on? Yes, this is going on listening of the radio. It's a indoor activities. What is this? In this picture, a boy is dancing, so it's a indoor recreation. Playing carom, indoor recreation. Now next one, watching television, it's also in indoor recreation. Now playing jhula. Playing jhula or cradle is outdoor activity because it can be conducted in the park. Sliding, it is also done in the park. Outdoor recreation. Going to fair is also outdoor recreation. Going to the zoo is also outdoor recreation. Going for the picnic, it is also outdoor recreation. Going celebrating birthday, this is family celebration. Birthday, and this is a marriage ceremonial picture. This is a also family celebration picture. In this lesson we have learned about the indoor and outdoor recreations and family celebration, what are those and how we are performed. Thank you for today.